Hello, this is Vivek Rudrappa, your tech expert friend. Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer your questions but also actively plans, reasons, and executes tasks on its own, like a virtual assistant that book flights, adjust your schedules, even write emails without your consent or human inputs. Sound excellent, right? Welcome to the world of Agentic AI. In today's video, we will break down what is Agentic AI, why it's the big leap beyond the ChatGPT or traditional AI, how does it work, and what real-world applications do exist. And if you wait till the end, I'll give you a visual example of how this agentic AI flow works with the real world application example in action. An agentic AI refers to AI systems that possesses autonomy, reasoning, and the ability to execute multi-step tasks without human intervention or interactions. Unlike traditional AI models that require human prompts for every task, agentic AI can self-direct, make decisions, and adapt dynamically. In a simple definition, agentic AI is like a digital personal assistant with a mind of its own. It thinks, plans, and takes actions independently. On a high level, if there is a user request or a goal assigned to a agentic AI system, it usually does like task planning and breakdown, something like calendar task scheduling. It can do AI reasoning and decision making, example creating data analytics, report generation, right? And the other big advantage of this is multi-agent collaboration, like sending email, automating actions, calling to someone, take actions without asking it. If you want to understand from four main features from traditional AIs like ChatGPT or LLMs with agentic AI, one being user dependency, requires direct communication prompts for Gen AI, ChatGPT kind of applications, whereas agentic AI works autonomously. In case of task complexity, ChatGPTs are one-off tasks, answering, summarizing, do something, whatever it's been asked for. Whereas Agentic AI, it's a multi-step workflows, researching, planning, executioning, and others. Decision making follows predefined responses in traditional AI, whereas Agentic AI adapts, plans, adjusts actions dynamically. In terms of real-world integration, there is a certain limited automation that can be possible and done, but with agentic AI, it can interact with external applications and APIs. APIs is like functions calling an existing library. Let's take this analogy. Think of traditional AI as a Google search engine. It gives you answers when you ask different kind of questions. Whereas agentic AI, on the other hand, is like a full-time research assistant working for you. It finds the best resources, summarizes the data, and emails you the results without you asking repeatedly. It helps with automating complex workflows. Companies using AI-driven automation saves up to 40% of manual effort as per McKinsey report. OpenAI's AutoGPT and Google's DeepMind Gemini are early examples of agentic AI in action, revolutionizing industries. When we take finance or trading, AI that monitors market trends and executes trades automatically. In terms of healthcare, AI-powered assistants that schedule patients' follow-ups and generate reports. in terms of software development, agentic AI debugging and auto-writing code based on real-time issues. Moving from chatbot to AI agent, 73% of enterprise businesses plan to adopt autonomous AI agents by 2026 as per Gartner report. AI agents reduce operational costs by 30% in workflow-heavy industries as per Forbes report. Let's take this analogy. Imagine hiring a personal assistant who doesn't just take notes but actually schedules meetings, follows up with clients, and organizes your entire day without needing a constant instructions to that personal assistant. That's what Agentic AI does with digital tasks. There are 5 core components of Agentic AI. One being autonomy. It operates independently without constant user input. Second, planning and reasoning. It breaks down tasks into logical steps and decides the best path forward. Third, being memory and learning. Remembers past actions and improves decision over time. 4. Multi-agent collaboration. It works alongside with other AI agents and known APIs to complete tasks. 5. The last one, real-world execution. Uses APIs like to book tickets and emails or analyze documents autonomously. Let's understand this. If at all a customer support need to be automated using AI agent, how does that look like? So if at all there is a user or a customer inquiry coming up to a AI supported agent, then it tries to extract its knowledge base, and also the inquiries are saved with respect to the context of what the user is asking in the memory, and all these information it goes to reasoning engine, tries to understand what the context is, and goes with the AI planner to schedule some task or dedicate the task to multi-agent collaboration. One could be doing a RAG architecture where it tries to get some real-time data from the vectorized DB. Second being it can be natural language processing, the NLP, to understand what the user is trying to say and summarize it. And third being it can go to the execution engine to try to understand whatever the reasoning data or the response AI support agent is trying to come up with, is it matches with the quality, what is being expected. The answer is evaluated. If it is satisfied, then it responds to the user and stores all the feedback from the user as a AI learning module. If the answer is not as expected, then it goes to a real human who can review and respond to the user. Meanwhile, all these conversation and feedback will be refined and learned to the knowledge base and stored. AI agent is no other different than any technology, and it comes with own challenges. One being lack of control and oversight. We can always keep human in the loop as a supervision and apply AI guardrails to control it. Second challenge would be the security risk that brings with the autonomous decision making. As a solution, we can always implement high quality AI governance and ethical constraints. Third challenge would be computational cost. Solution could be optimized AI models for efficiency and lower the costs. The last one, which is very important, all these AI brings hallucination and misinformation. Few of the best solution could be memory enhanced AI, RAG architecture, optimizing the variability parameter in any AI queries with fact-checking capabilities. A successful agentic AI is transforming AI from a passive assistant into an active decision maker. It automates complex workflows, learns from experience, and adapts in real time. Businesses are investing in autonomous AI agents for higher efficiency and lower costs. While challenges exist and also solutions exist, AI safety measures and governance ensure ethical AI decision making. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to make decisions for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments.